This is Tia, and I'm Dr. Camden Clay, chiropractor, Atlanta School of Massage, following a quick cell fixes and targeted muscle testing class, October 2018. This is a quick cell fixes class, and we are ending it with a demonstration of scoliosis resolution. Tia has a mild to moderate scoliosis in her thoracic spine, and I'm going to straighten it for her, or have somebody here straighten it for her in a matter of minutes, and then as long as she does connective tissue strap procedure B, it's going to stay straight. So you're going to turn and lean over and pull that shirt up. So let's volunteer to come here and feel her curvature. It starts here and it ends there. You have to dig in deep and move kind of fast. Do you feel that? There
Wow.
it is.
Wow.
You can feel that, right? Come on in here and feel that. Good. You see where it goes hard right and then comes back hard left. Starts here, ends there. Go ahead. Tell you, doing scoliosis resolution is within your scope because it's just a very light touch. And if I spent the next 20 years straightening scoliosis, it would be the next 20 years well spent. People appreciate this. So sometimes following scoliosis resolution, people are a little uncomfortable for a while, but while overgrown muscles, atrophy, and muscles that are too weak get stronger. And sometimes following scoliosis resolution, people get emotional because it's just a thing. Now come up, you're gonna lay face up. See, it goes to her what? Her right?
Her right.
You're gonna lay with your head here.
Yeah, I've heard postural distortions can actually cause personality
Oh, yeah.
disorders.
That
Makes sense.
explains it right to you.
Personality's gonna change.
Explains it right
Yeah,
to
you'll
you.
be a lot nicer then.
Now turn to the side. I want to look where that little mark is. I'm gonna come up here. It's right there, and now lay back face up. And who wants to fix this?
Me?
Come here.
Who is it? Do I trust you? Do you trust me? Okay.
Y'all gotta touch right there where that little arrow is, okay?
Okay, so right there with which fingers?
The strong one. The strong one.
That finger right there.
Actually, now that I think about it, I do feel this at night when I'm sleeping.
There you go.
I got it.
Switch hands.
Oh. Like that.
And now lay face up. You're gonna brace her right there. You're gonna just rest down, okay? So,
What
this
do I do
hand
with
under
this
your
hand?
head. And now you're gonna pull up, pulling that rib away from the spine, part one. Part two, elongate and hold. And it just started pulling. If you want to, you can just lightly touch her right there. Stand here and just lightly touch, and you'll feel that it's turgid. You're doing great. Can you feel that pulling against you? It just stopped. Fingertips sunk in. Did you feel that change? Okay, hang in there close. It just started back. Pushed my fingertips out. Her tissue got turgid. And it's pulling. And it just stopped, fingertips sunk in again. Did you feel that? And now it's pushing out again. Good. And it's pulling. You're doing great. Tabby, you're doing awesome. And it just stopped again, right? And it still stopped. Hang in there.
I'm not sure if I'm in the right space.
Stay there. You're doing fine.
Okay.
Feels like it has stopped again. Let's check it and see if it's done now. Come up.
I wasn't sure if I was staying in the right place, but
We'll see.
it's hard to.
If it didn't work, we'll
Okay.
try it again. How about that? Come here again. And get the top shirt up. And arch your back up. There we go. And come down again. gone.
Mm-hmm.
It was right in here. So in this area here, the people that checked her
Yeah.
again.
Felt like things
Wow.
were changing. That's why I wasn't
You
sure. I
did
was
good.
like,
J-Man, is it gone?
Oh yeah, big difference.
Nice, huh? So I do invite you all to my scoliosis resolutions that I have at the office. They're fun, and I provide foods like between 8 and 11 or 12 on
That
Saturdays
is so
off
weird,
and
I
on.
can feel it.
It's gone, right?
Yeah.
You can feel it's gone?
Yeah.
That's amazing. So long.
wow, it feels totally fine.
Totally
That's
fine.
insane.
And now come up to you and face the camera. Oh, she got to get fixed up there. So you're now about that much taller.
I hope so.
You can find Scoliosis Resolution at quickselffixes.com under free healthcare videos and books. It is a donation site. Please share with your friends.
Thank you.
And now I'm going to show you how to keep this clear yourself. And hold there. You would put the knot in the lamina groove where the apex was,
Mm-hmm.
on the right-hand side, anchored to the left chest,
Mm-hmm.
and pull diagonally to the right, lean right, push your spine to the left, as you lean farther right, keep pulling, pull diagonally forward, up, around, elongate upwards, lean backwards, and now fish around 4, follow your innate for what feels better. It's a self-conducting tissue unwinding, and hold.
What feels better, meaning,
Meaning you can feel the blood rushing in, it's just
Like
like,
it feels
oh yeah, it
good?
feels really
it's
good.
like, oh,
there.
that's a good spot. Okay.
And now stand up straight, shift it to the left-hand side, anchor to the chest on the right, pull diagonally to the left, lean left, push your spine to the right as you lean farther left, keep pulling, pull diagonally forward, up and around, elongate upwards, lean backwards, and hold. And fish around for what feels better, follow your intuition, self-connected tissue unwinding. Technically, in a treatment, we would do that treatment to you to every rib in your spine on both sides.
sides.
Following straightening the scoliosis, I would lay you back down and just do the whole thing, which I am gonna do right now. At home, you would do T12 all the way up to top T2, until if you do it regularly, it will stay clear. Lay face up, please.
Could you do that little, your technique one more time real quick for me?
Yeah.
Camera?
Where did you have?
No, I'm talking about, just
Yeah,
explain,
yeah.
explain.
Where did you have your
It
curvature
was,
at?
right, on the right side.
Where?
It was like a T, like.
Okay,
right.
okay. So this is filmed for you. I
Oh,
filmed
okay.
it 3
That's right.
times.
Okay, cool.
I didn't like the first time or second time. It cost me
Okay.
$500 a
That's
day.
right.
It took me 3 times to film it to get it right.
Okay, if it's on there, don't worry about it. Okay, don't worry about it.
Lay face up. I want to go to you, what I'm gonna do here. Turn with your head down here, please. Just want to tug on both sides. Bye.
Bye. Have a good one.
Hand up, under head, please. Just that hand. So I did it to one side, and I'm just going to do it on both sides because my wife says it's rude to massage just one foot. Same concept. I just want to do that to you on both sides. And then for making a strap, to stay right there. In the Scoliosis Resolution book in back, there's a chapter in the video and the book on how to make your own strap. You'll do fine using a beach towel. You're gonna have to do the one with the sheet because it's longer. It's not hard to do, just watch the video and follow along.
But what you just showed us is just for the upper back. The
Right.
lower is different.
Right.
Okay.
Come on up now, come here. Your curvature went to the
Right.
okay? This is your right, that's your left. Hand under head. I'm gonna Was he out at? About right in there?
Can't remember.
I think it was higher.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's about right there.
Pull the rib off the spine and elongate. Pull my shoulder into my body and stretch. And just get that little release there. Okay, you're good to go. Ooh. Thank you for filming.